Hello, good day. My name is Lady Diana Vega Barón. In this opportunity, I will present the work of Task Force affecting of technology on the environment. According to my letter, I consider that modern technology had a great impact on our planet, affecting climate change in the last decades and have caused environment pollution. The positive and negative affecting of technology on the environment. The positive, the countries get economic growth, benefits for company, um, um, improves communication between people, improves productivity and production quality for consumers, and alternate power source. Okay, okay. The negative, climate change, visual contamination, rivers are dry and full of garbage. Reduction of glaciers and extinction of animals that are dry, that are vital to our planet. We are already experiencing climate change and its constant consequence on Earth and humans. In the future, we will not have rivers, not have glaciers, not have flora and fauna. Okay. I recommend to the ex, I recommend to the existing international organization of the United Nations ONU, the world cooperation to provide a prompt solution to this global problem. Okay. Create Trump a climate policy. Thank you very much.